Hello everyone, Perfect Storm Trading here. This video is for Monday, January 10th, 2022. I have the Astro Excel 30-minute chart up here. You can see as we came back into trading last night, we had upward pressure on the green line. We've peaked out there. Now you can see this area where the green line is peaked, and now we've got some slight downward pressure into the end of the day session here. Then we push up into the evening and we peak out tonight just after midnight going into Tuesday morning, and then we go into that long downdrift into Thursday, which bottoms, let's just call it in the 11 o'clock area Thursday morning, and then we got some upward push into Friday morning from there. So the trend is going to be pretty much down except for this bounce period here this week. Let's take a look at the pH and get some indications for today. Here's the pH chart. Here are the five standard indicators that come each day. First one today is going to be 726. Then we have 807. The morning segment at about 10:30. And then the two afternoon triggers about 12:56 and 13:40 roughly. Let's make a couple projections off the overnight action. I've just added the two vertical lines, the overnight high here and the overnight low, which kicked in around 3:46. Notice the first one came in on P1, P2 on the red segment, and then the low came in on P1 and P2 on the yellow segment. So what we're going to look at is project those forward. The first one, the red, is going to come to this point right here. Let's call that about 9:45-ish. And then the second one, yellow, ties in with the backside of the morning blue segment, so we've got a double confluence here at 10:30. So that area looks like it might be an important trigger point, so you definitely want to keep your eye on that one. No important timing window set up for today, so we'll leave it there. There's your pH trigger points and the general overall trend. We will see you guys again tomorrow with another video for Tuesday.